Good evening, guys. It's 5:20 p.m. Today is May 19th, Friday, OPEX Friday, plus Powell's speech, plus yesterday we had a breakout in ES. 3 events, right? And so today is very critical, So where ES closes, so ES did good. It is it closed in buyer's territory. Okay, so far so good. Now Monday is a test again. Okay? So 8:45, 9 a.m., 11 a.m. 3 Fed speakers are talking, including Powell at 11. Stick with longs today above 44.48, NQ above 545.60 in general. That is the idea. Powell can take price to 42.92, right? Or 41.44. These are the extreme levels during Powell's event, right? While he's talking, price can do this kind of behavior. Ideally, I do not want to see the price going below preferred buyer's area or backup buyer in either indexes, but instead hold those areas for buyers, right? So basically I'm saying above preferred and backup buyer's area, stick with longs. Okay, break above preferred seller's area and hold is a good sign for buyers. See, so I put at this point today. Yesterday I didn't talk about preferred sellers, that you have to look this, but today I specifically said break above preferred sellers area, it's a good sign for buyers, right? So I have a sense, like 6 cents, that during Powell's speech or today price may get some difficulty to break above it. Doesn't mean that sellers will be in control, but it could be difficult. That's why I use this word today. If you are profitable for the week or loser for the week, doesn't matter, whatever the situation could be, I would suggest to stay away today because of Powell's speech on Friday. See, clear wording, and you can see today's price action was tough even to trade, right? Because we are not allowed to short. Price was going down, so it will be difficult to take longs also, right? So stay away, and you can see it now. Dream numbers, right? So dream numbers were 886, 907. Look at how beautifully, how nicely dream numbers worked out here. 886, 907. So now you will say, hey, it went through it, came back, right? But you know what? You have to see through it, but anyway, so I was hoping when price was going down, I was hoping it will go into this area and then respond, which it did. It held it basically, but keep poking below, going higher. So it was holding it, but it was resisting, to go up. So yes, so this is aggressive buyers, even not a preferred buyers, right? So NQ, you have to stick with longs, correct? Even though it's going down, you have to look for longs and out, longs and out, longs and out. Preferred buyers area, see that it responded, it held it pretty much. That was the goal, right? That it needs to hold above preferred or backup, ideally, right? Which it did. NQ went up, stayed above preferred, ES held above preferred. Simple, right? And closing came out right into preferred. This is the key, So as long as price is holding above this, basically this 84 and this or this, buyers are still there, Now, so, and preferred sellers area, see, that's why I use the word break above preferred sellers area is a good sign for buyers, right? It couldn't even go above it. See my point? So now shorts we were not taking, even though we saw a breakdown here, price came down, pull back here. This was a nice short actually, by the way. Confluence area, right? Morning low, first hour low, and it was a confluence VWAP and mid, right? All these things were there, present. Yesterday's high also there, right? Look at this. So this 15-16 area was a very, very good short here, but still we didn't take it. We were just observe the price action, because ES was going higher, NQ was not moving higher, so there was a divergence. So we figured that is due to Powell's speech, they are waiting, so price is not gonna go anywhere. So only way to play these things is fail breakout short or fail breakdown long, but shorts we are not allowed to take, so you can play the longs. And if fail breakdown happens, you take longs, but you have to see it. In a ES there was no breakdown here, fail breakdown, no breakout, nothing, right? But in NQ NQ there were several divergences, when ES goes down, NQ was here, and then again breakdown, again up, right? So all this trade you can take. In fact, of the open, I think few members took this trade right here, and they built out here at dream number. We were watching. So, but anyway, I didn't take any trade. So when price went here, I said it's a short opportunity, but we're not going to short it. Instead, I want price to take out this area. If it does, then there will be a long setup targeting this or this, but it didn't take out this area. So there is no long here, there is no long here, and then it came down, then it came down. Now at this point, price was doing what? Step down, balance, breakdown, pull back down, right? So now at this point, your day is screwed. Even though, so screwed means both sides are super active, and price may not go anywhere. Doesn't mean that, buyers cannot respond. So then I was watching here. I closed my voice in Discord, and then I was watching. Most of the members took a day off. So I was watching, and then when price came down, because I was interested to see this area, when it hits there, what it does, So when it came down here, I took a long here at 92, and then I targeted this area basically, 4206, that was a weekly high, which is this area pretty much, close to this. 06 was a weekly high, which is line is not here. So I took that, bailed out here. NQ also I did the same thing from this line, bailed out here, both together, right? And then I was watching that price may come down, but I wanted to see 99 holding. So here I went long again I was watching 06, price hesitated, I bailed out, which is this, same thing in NQ I did. These were the two trades I did. And when I saw price coming down again here, that's where I said, what, now I don't want to trade, price is not going to go anywhere. So official trading ended right here. Then I did not bother to even look at the price, I just went outside. So at 12:25, I stopped trading, right? But these were the trades, right? So now let me also, so these were the trades, right? Look at timestamp, 11:42. See, 92 long. So I had 8 contracts here, right? And then I built out at close to 06. And then here I again went long, right? Then I built out here. It went against me, right? Then here I said 99. So see, 99 held it, 12:16 or so. So I went long here, and then built out here again at 06 and 98, right? So 10 contracts or something here. Look at this 10 and almost 20. But anyway, so that was the story, right? Here I bought it, and then there was a corresponding statement. So corresponding statement 1208, right? 41.99 is the key now at this point at 12:07 p.m. Holds it, then 11, breaks it, then back to low, right? So 12:00, so you can see it here. $12.07. See here, when price was here, I said 41.99 important. See that? Break through it by a point or half point. That's where I get long. The moment it get back in, I went long. See that? So, and then I built out here, 06, because it was holding 06 pretty tight, right? And then break below, it will go back to the low, which is here, right? Now it's a nice breakdown, went below it, right? And then again, damn thing bounced back up. Right? So it's like ping pong price action. Then again here, look at this, 06, tried to go above, couldn't, came down again here. See, so this is a garbage price action now. So these were the two good trades. That's it. Shorts, we are not supposed to take it, so I am not going to talk about this short. This short, see, confluence area, dream number. This is also a good short, failed breakout. Yeah, this is also failed breakout, but I'm not going to talk about short. We are only talking about longs. That's it, because that is the goal every day now. Stick with longs, as long as, unless I change my statement there in my pre-market notes. Otherwise, stick with longs. Okay, that'll be all for today.